So we have a new wheel that came in for C63.
No.
Oh. So this is the Forged EVO series EVO 3, 20 by 9.5, 20 by 11, satin black, center caps color matched for 2018 Mercedes Benz C63 coupe. Can't go wrong with satin black. It's super clean. It's a 5-spoke open design, very sporty, very open. Like I said, I'm running out of vocab words. But the cool thing with open wheels is that you get to see the calipers, right? You have bright calipers coming from the back, it pops. So that's really cool with having that. But really good looking wheel. This is the rear wheel for the C63. So let me show the concavity so you have an idea. It's not bad for the car. C63s aren't really known for having crazy concavities to begin with, but this definitely helps maximize it as much as possible. And just in case you guys didn't believe me, on the back here has been engraved by Vossen to say engineered for 2018 Mercedes AMG C63 rear. Now unfortunately we won't be installing these wheels ourselves. We're actually going to be shipping these right back out to our client who lives somewhere far away. So that's the bad news. The good news is if you happen to be one of those clients or want to be one of those clients who live far away but want to get wheels from us, we can still take care of you. Just hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below.